description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we're going to have a little chitty chat. Anyways, it's Vifon with their sour spicy shrimp. I think that's what we got here, right? Hot and sour shrimp. Spicy and sour. From Vietnam. Sounds good. It sounds kind of like, what do you call it? Tom yum. Boiling water. Noodle block. It is early here. It is the 21st day of January 2026. And it's just after 9 a.m. because it's been getting really, slick outside, which, me being I'm old. I don't feel old. Except when I want to go and do junk, like walk around, do my 10 miles a day. I don't care if it's cold, but if it's slippery, that freaks me out. I can't afford to fall, folks. I can't afford it. I can't afford to fall down. But, you know. So, the little chitty chat I was going to say is, I got this guy who's been complaining about the fact that I talk politics on this show. Which is, you can say whatever you want. You can complain about what I'm talking about. And I mentioned to him, you can always look at the timer that's over there, and if you want to use it as a thing that will let you know when I'm done talking about, because generally when I'm, done with that, then there will be other stuff than whatever I was talking about previously. If you want to just jump around, I don't care. It's up to you. But, okay. Here, let's put it all together. And 3 minutes. Let's even cover it up. Let's go professional here. So, yeah. It's cold, it's slippery outside. I don't want to mess around with it. Today is a day, and I'm waiting for the sun to come out enough and the temperature to go up enough so I can get the hell out of here and go walk around, because I'm like dying to do that. Another day that my daughter is sick. Hopefully she feels better, and I think she will tomorrow. What else? Oh yeah, I got another one of those great freebies on that Buy Nothing thing I mentioned from time to time. And it was I got a receiver and what is it? An AV processor? They're both Onkyo. The receiver is rad. It's like 3 years or 3 generations newer than the one that I did have, but it's got record player in. I just need to get a remote for it, and that would be really nice, because it's but this AV processor thing, holy cow, it's the size of like a desktop computer, and it's got so many inputs and outputs. I was just thinking about it. I really don't need this. I really don't have any use for this, because I don't have that many inputs and outputs, but it's cool. It's like, it's insane. I guess I could have a record player, an 8-track, all these different inputs and outputs. It's nuts. It's an AV preamp. I don't know. I need to brush up on all this information. It's been a while, but we'll see. Yeah. As far as the last minute that we have here, it was very, very political lately. Apparently we are not going to seek military intervention in Greenland. Taco taco. That's fine. I'm totally down with that. I'm sure Greenland's down with that, but I think they've kind of got their hackles up currently. We'll see how it goes. God only knows what you guys are dealing with in your chronometric reality. Ours just changes by the day of ridiculousness at the whims of a psychotic old man. So I don't know what to think. I don't know what to tell you. If you're interested, you already know. If you're not, you probably just fast forward to right about, I don't know, 15 seconds after I'm speaking now. Yeah. Tomorrow, I'm hopefully going to be trying the Bulldog, the Birria. I might be doing that at a later date, at least, or earlier date as far as this goes. But anyways, here we are. And see, dude who's been complaining about me talking about politics, if you just looked at this clock and you went beep and skipped it, and now all you had to do is listening to me talk about the fact that I talk about politics, and that was that. So I don't know. I think if you skipped over it, you should really rewind it, because there were some fascinating things that I said. Maybe. I gotta go and get a bunch of garnish and such, because I'm really low in that department. Not everything works well with egg and, what was it? I like to use egg and chashu on a lot of stuff, and scallion. This one I would rather use some shrimp, some crushed red pepper, other stuff, but all I really have today is the scallion, and now I'm out of that. So we'll give it a go. We'll give it our best. We'll give it our all. And let's give it a try. Very fluffy noodle. Okay. There is our broth. Sour spicy, huh? I'm not getting exactly that. It's very salty, and there's a bit of spiciness. The sourness is very tame. It's very light. It's tasty, savory, yummy, yum yum yum. But it's not like, oh, that's gonna be sour and spicy. No, I'm not getting much of that, folks. Yeah. This is going to be a tricky one, because like as I mentioned, I don't have much in the lineup. Garnishings. But there is our unhealthy amount of scallion. And some sesame seeds. I don't know, what do you want from me? I don't have a lot to offer today. Some shichimi. That's about it. But yeah, there will be more. There you go. it today. Yeah, this is not a bad variety at all. If you have got the right stuff to put with it straight, it's not bad, but, you know. There you go. Sour and spicy shrimp. Spicy and sour shrimp. You know what I like to do sometimes is take the R out of the word shrimp and just say shimp. Want some sour, spicy shrimp? Anyways, I'm a weirdo. Have a good one. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Bye-bye.